Sharath, stay on with us and let's also discuss all the stocks that are likely to buzz in today's trade on the back of news flow. And for that, we are also joined by Varun and Rabinder from our research team. Varun, let's start with you. Which are the stocks on your list today?
So let me start with Dixon Technologies because the company has posted its results and the results are very strong and they have been led by the overall mobile business. The overall revenues, they have gone up by around 88.2% to around 12,386 crores and the profitability of the company has gone up by around 68% to 225 crores. Also, the company says that the overall outlook for the company is very strong. Paytm. Highlight of the quarter was that the company has actually reported a profit of around 123 crores and this is the first time that the company has reported a profit. Also the EBITDA, the absolute EBITDA for the company has gone up drastically. The EBITDA this quarter has been around 72 crores and the EBITDA margin has been around 4% and the company says that the EBITDA growth will continue in the near future also and the overall EBITDA margins will actually increase in till the end of this quarter. Also, if you look at the GMV, that has gone up by around 27% on a YY basis and that is better than what we were expecting. Overall, the revenues have also gone up by around 28%, which is better than what we were expecting. So, it's a good quarter for Paytm. United Breweries, it's been a good quarter for United Breweries as well because the overall volume growth for the company has been around 11%, which is at 11 quarters high. We are expecting the volume growth to be around 7% and the overall volume growth has been better than what we were expecting. Also, the company has gained market share. The net revenues are also up by around 15.8%. The profitability of the company has gone up by around 0.9% to 184 crores. So, United Breweries has also posted a good set of number with the volume growth hitting 11 quarters high.
Dixon Tech, Paytm, United Breweries, all of these are in focus today. But apart from these counters, Sharad, let me come to you and get a sense of what have you picked out for us? What are the stocks to watch out for in today's trading session?
In focus is JSW Infra, largely inline set of numbers coming in, but the project expansions underway and that's a strong commentary coming from the management also. And the balance sheet, brokerages expect that the balance sheet will remain same. The revenue jumped almost 21% on a year-on-year basis. Net profit also jumped 32%. Dalmia Bharat, the EBITDA per ton that has hit its 4-year high levels coming at roughly 1261 rupees, indicating almost a 37% jump on a sequential basis. Now, of course, this is coming in on the back of improved realization and sustained cost control seen, and we might see cement stocks buzzing in today's trade as well as yesterday. Largely, there was a strong buying coming in all the counters of the cement space. Zensa Tech, the numbers largely it's neutral impact. Broad-based growth has been seen except the manufacturing segment. The management is expecting in the con call that stated that FY26 should be better than FY25. Looking at the headline numbers, revenue was up almost 2% sequentially. However, EBIT margin did see a downtick of roughly 35 basis points. But all in all, largely inline set of numbers coming from Zensa Tech.
Alright, so JSW Infra, Dalmia Bharat and Zensa Tech, some of the earnings counters that we will be watching out for in today's trade. But Rabinder, now coming to you, which are the stocks on your list?
Well, as a broking stock can be in focus, like broking stocks like Motilal Oswal and Angel One can be in focus in today's trading session, where NSE has issued a detailed operational guidelines for retail algo trading on more compliances and caution. So, back of this broking stock can be in focus. Apart from this, textile, liquor and JLR Tata Motors can be in focus in today's trading session, where UK and India FTA likely to be signed on July 24 and this agreement seeks to double bilateral trade of $120 billion by 2030 by eliminating or significantly reducing custom duties on a wider range of products, and Indian exporters such as textile, footwear, gems and jewelries, furniture, auto components, chemical, machinery, sports goods and other items likely to have a zero duties, while the UK will see tariff reductions on luxury items such as scotch, whiskey and premium cars. So, back of this, keep an eye on liquor, textile and JLR stocks. Apart from this, Infosys can be in focus in today's trading session, where company has collaborated with AGCO to deliver IT and HR operation transformation and building on a long-standing relationship to enhance AGCO operational framework for growth while leveraging Infosys Cobalt and Infosys Tobas. And lastly, realty stock Oberoi Realty can be in focus, where management in the con call has said that the company is witnessing a strong leasing traction across all three office assets and the newly launched Sky City Mall and in FY26 manage and expect to launch one more tower in Borivali and two in Thane, Pedda Road and Gurugram. And lastly, they said that they may also launch a products such as Adarsh Nagar, Worli and Tardev in the year. So back of this, Oberoi Realty can be in focus.
All right, so these were the counters that you keep on your radar in today's trading session, and they will be in focus on the back of those news flows. Thank you so much, Varun, Sharad and Rabinder, for joining us today with all the stocks in focus. But